What's up and welcome to the new mega giveaway! The dogs are getting excited about this too, can you hear them? It's time to get excited about the mega giveaway, buddy! Yes!
1, 2, 3. Bounce. Bounce. Bounce.
Y'all ready to turn it up tonight?
Bounce.
Yay! Let me get in on the celebration. Yeah, bud! Okay, so it's been a bit since I did a giveaway, and I also wanted to give you guys a house update. And go. In the giveaway, I'll be giving away this Razer Blade Pro. This thing is an absolutely beast of a laptop. It's in great condition. Whoever gets this is going to be so stoked. It has a GTX 1060, which can play almost all the games, Louie. You can play all the games. Oh, yeah. It's got a high refresh rate screen, an i7 processor. It's just an awesome freaking laptop. And of course, I'll be giving away an iPhone 10 or whatever the latest iPhone 10 is whenever the giveaway ends. And we're also gonna give away an Ownboard electric skateboard. This thing is absolutely amazing. I've been doing a review on it over on my GizmoSlipTech channel, and it has blown my mind. It's an incredibly good electric skateboard. Shout out to Ownboard for sending this. It has about a 12-mile range with my weight, and I am over the rated weight. It is absolutely incredible. I was able to tool around all of downtown Portland with it. It goes up to 25 miles an hour, has a digital readout display. On top of that, the controller is extremely fluid, easy to control acceleration and braking, probably close to the best I've seen on an electric skateboard so far, and I've ridden a number of them at this point. They also provided a $25 off coupon for those of you that want to actually order one for yourself. So I will have a link in the description if you want to pick up one of these amazing electric skateboards. So how is this gonna work? Well, the giveaway is going to end whenever the cumulative total of all of my different YouTube channels hits 4 million subscribers total. Now, of course, we have my main channel, GizmoSlip, and then we have GizmoSlipTech, where I do reviews on smartphones and laptops, and then I have GizmoSlipTV, which is where I post occasional gaming videos, and then, of course, I have my vlog channel, Brandon Baldwin Vlogs, that when my total number of subscribers across those 4 channels hits 4 million total, the giveaway will end, and I will select the winners for each of these. If we don't hit 4 million by Christmas 2018, I will select the winners on Christmas Day. So it'll be kind of a Christmas giveaway. So if you want to enter this giveaway, I'll have a link down below. Just click that link and there'll be a bunch of different ways that you can enter, from subscribing to the 4 different YouTube channels, as well as following me on Twitter, checking out my Facebook page, Instagram. It will be international. So that's all the information you need for this giveaway. So I'm really excited about doing these giveaways for you guys, but I really want it to be all about the content, and that's why I wanted to stop spamming a bunch of different giveaways, and instead do one big giveaway that we can do for a long period of time, hopefully. Or maybe not, that would be even better. If you guys just hopped on all the different channels all at once, that would be super sweet. All right, so vloggy updatey. Let's go ahead and walk around the house here. Let me show you what's going on. So I've added the background for GizmoSlip on the TV here. I think it's a really cool addition to the set. The Pit of Despair over here. This is pretty gnarly level of junk back here. But we did organize it. This is a lot better than it was, so 2 thumbs up. This right here is a laptop that I'm actually in the process of reviewing for HIDevolution.com. And then this is the Razer Blade 15 that Razer sent over for me to review. I'll have a link to the review if you want to check it out. But it's an amazing laptop and I highly recommend it. I recently added this desk as another workstation for when Jeff and Jake come over to help edit. You can see my main desk here. I've actually been live streaming pretty regularly from this workstation. So if you want to check that out, I'll have links to the live stream sessions as well. Kitchen, as you can see, is pretty much unchanged at this point. Ran into a streak of laziness with the kitchen. Over here, we've taken down the blinds, so that's a thing. Hi, Lou. He really wants to go in that master bedroom. Still haven't done anything with that room. Out here to the deck. Woo! This is my space where I look off into the infinite horizon and think of all the infinite ideas of ways that I can destroy smartphones. You know, just firing off in my head. So as you can see, I've actually replaced some of the boards on this deck. It's getting old. I'm in the process of repairing it here and there, and I'll probably have to just get the whole thing replaced here soon. Having a house this big is a lot more responsibility than I realized. Well, having to replace this deck and then we have to stain those 2 lower decks, and that's gonna be like a lot of extra work right now. Staying busy, taking care of the house. Watch out. Okay. So we've got robot Roombas now. Let's have it clean. Oh, there it goes. Okay, finally. Holy crap, it looks so much cleaner. I can tell already. This is how you... He just runs up back upstairs. Okay, let's do it. That is so awesome. So this is the workout room. I've got a whole weight set now, 2 ellipticals, and a giant 55-inch Samsung 4K TV for watching shows while I work out. Voila. Yeah, so there you go, a little walk around the house. We're making progress on the house, but maybe not as fast as we would like. I'm just really excited about making content in general. I wish I could make like way more videos than I'm currently making. It's just so hard to find the time. And I'm already working with 2 separate editors, and I think I'm capping out the maximum number of videos I can even make right now. So that's it for this update to Roo/giveaway Roo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Brandon out.